Welcome to Lakeshore RV. I'll be walking you through your Montana. In your very front compartment here, you're going to have your power cord, as well as your spray nozzle, 12-volt battery inside the box, battery disconnect up on the wall. Coming to the driver's side, first little door you're going to see is for your leveling. On and off to the top right. Now there's a LED here when you hit the button. That means retract. You're going to retract the legs or lower your unit. Extend means to bring out your legs or to raise your unit, and then you just pick what legs you're trying to control. So if we want to lower the front, we're gonna go retract, push and hold front. Now if we want to extend the front, make sure the LED is off. In the next compartment, you're gonna have two 30-pound LP tanks, both full. The regulators on top of this tank right here. Point it to the front. You're gonna use the other tank. The other tank is located in the exact same position on the passenger side. Point it to the rear, you're going to use this tank right here. Now, for the leveling, you do have a little cheat sheet beyond this door here. That will help you out. Big pass-through area. You have your outdoor shower, as well as your winterization, or your winterizing port. To use this port, this valve has to be on. Otherwise, with this valve off, it's going to use your city fixtures, which during the summer, you'll be using, just leave that off. Water heater bypass. So now you'll be able to control how, when you have your water into your unit, how you want to use it. If you want a normal flow off the water hose, you'll just turn the knob over to the normal flow. Now if you want to fill the tank, just point it down to fill. You have two black tank flushes here. Just make sure your valves are all open before you put water into these. These will overfill your black tank if these are closed and you get a full black tank. Right to the right, you're gonna have low point drains. Right above, you're gonna have battery disconnect. You're gonna have your satellite prepped and ready. Right to the right here, you're gonna have your water heater, your furnace exhaust. It gets extremely hot. Watch out when you fire it up. Make sure nothing's in the way. Right below, you're also gonna have a gray tank valve here. That's gonna be for the kitchen. Connection for the front bathroom and the kitchen. Coming to the rear on the driver's side, past the axles here, you're gonna have the rear hookup. Then you're gonna have your plug-in, your 50-amp plug-in there. On this Montana, you got the rear bunkhouse that comes out the back. Just make sure that it's closed all the way before transport. Here on this back door is going to go right into that bunkhouse setting. We'll get into that when we get inside. Right on the passenger side, behind the axles, you're going to have your spare tire. You got two awnings on this unit. This is your main door. These steps just fold up inside. So do the other ones in the back. Big pass through again. This is the other side. You got your 30 to 15 amp adapter, 30 to 50 amp adapter, as well as the sewer hose. The other 30-pound LP tank. Let's go ahead and go inside your unit. Inside your unit, you're gonna have your control panel right in this doorway here. All these switches here are all lights. Now we'll start from the top and work our way down. So now you got heated tanks. You're gonna have your fan control. Here's where you'll be able to tell your levels. Just push and hold the word and you'll be able to tell the level it's at. Water pump, if you're gonna use the water out of the tank. Now if you're just using water out of the water hose, you don't need that on. Right below, you're gonna have your water heater selections, electric or gas. Awning 1, awning 2. Your slides will each have its own control. Now let's start from the master bedroom and work our way back. Master bedroom here. You have individual lights above the bed. The light switch for this bedroom is going to be right when you walk in the door, right beneath the AC control here. So you're going to see another one throughout your unit. You just push the bottom bar, which is the mode button. It'll tell you fan, AC, heat. Up and down would control the temp. You got a nice setting over right in the front of the unit, as well as a charging station right to the left. When you're operating this slide, make sure this bedroom door, slider door, is open. Otherwise, it will end up pushing it. Bathroom's pretty self-explanatory. You got a GFI breaker right to the right, as well as your fan controls here, light switch here. Right above the stairs here, you'll be breakers and fuses. Next to your control panel, you're going to have the max airflow fan, as well as the AC controls. The two light switches there will be the drop light and the LED light on the actual, or one, yep, drop light, and then one's going to be the counter light there. So right underneath, you can see these throughout your unit. They're going to be tap lights. They're just little buttons in the dead center of the light. Nice big pantry area. You got an electric fridge. Your keys are around your sink here. Microwave's going to be best indicator if you have short power. If it's on and working, then you have at least 30 amps. Stovetop, you're just going to be out like a at-home stovetop. You're just going to turn it over the light, the knob over the light. Use your push button igniter. Right to the left here, you're going to have your entertainment center. This entertainment center includes a TV as well as a fireplace and a radio. They'll just know the fireplace and TV will not work unless you're short power. Here's going to be your radio system. So you're going to have two zones there, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, one's going to be inside, two's going to be outside, and then you'll be able to control the volume. Right to the left of the entertainment center, you're going to have the nice loft area. It has 3 beds up above with, again, they have tap lights there. On the slide in the living room, you're going to have your dimmer switch. This dimmer switch, you will be able to just turn on and off, control the dim just by the little slider there. On and off will be the LED lights underneath the bed, or underneath the couch. Individual tap lights above. Coming to the bunk room, you got the drop-down bed that will drop down. Just know when you are transporting, this bed has to be in this position. So, and this door has to be closed. If these are either or, it could end up into a problem. So, light switch for the bunk room is going to be right here on the wall. Into the bathroom, you're going to have the light switch right to the left. I hope this video helped. Thank you for choosing Lakeshore. You guys have a great day and happy camping.